2 weeks off since Styria. We are back on tour again. This looks like going all one way as Yamaha have locked out the front row and the home hero, Pan Valentino Rossi, make it 200 podiums here at home. We are ready to go here in Misano. Lights out and away we go. Not a good start from Maverick Vinales at all. Franco Morbidelli got away really well. Fabio Quartararo gets swallowed and through comes Jack Miller as well. It will be Morbidelli the leads from Rossi. Rossi's through. He's through side by side. He's got that tight line up the inside there. It's going to be close this one. And he closes the door. Does Franco Morbidelli on the boss? Miller through on Maverick. He's got that inside line. Oh, he sits him up. Rossi's trying to apply pressure to Franco Morbidelli, but so far there's no mistake coming. Oh, there goes the move then for Fabio Quartararo. Oh, he's gone down at turn 4. Unbelievable. Here comes Rins up the inside of Maverick Vinales. He's shaking his head. Wide
well,
from here. Bagnaia is flying. Maverick Vinales from pole has dropped to 6th. Morbidelli started to break away here.
After such a record-breaking start.
Mistake there from Rossi somewhere. He lost a heap of time in that third sector. Prince, is he going to have a look up the inside into turn 8? Is he going to outbrake Rossi? Not this time. And here comes Taco Bagnaia on the inside. That was brilliant from the Pramac Gatti rider.
Oh, Fabio Quartararo, second crash of the day.
And here comes Bagnaia. We've got 4 riders fighting now for 2 spots on the podium. Forget Morbidelli. He's gone through on Ring,
and that could be it.
That could be done.
Here comes Mia!
He's going for it! They're almost touching!
Oh, what a move
was that?
Bravo, Juan Mia!
Morbidelli comes across the line and he's done it! It's Samba time for Franco Morbidelli!
What a last lap that was by Juan Mia. Magnificent Morbidelli reigns in Misano.